Today was a huge step forward for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin. Elon Musk spoke about Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum. In this video, we're going to be talking about what Elon Musk said and where cryptos are heading, because on the charts, they're looking very, very bullish. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Myles here, and every single day I make videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. If you want to get access to my trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description, where you can talk to me on the phone. You can message me anytime. We have a 4,000 member Discord. I do one-on-one video lessons, teaching technical analysis, and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. Okay, so we're gonna get started right now, but before we do so, go ahead and smash up the like button. Helps to support the channel and get this video into the algorithm, sharing it with the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments, when do you think Elon Musk is going to accept potentially Dogecoin and Bitcoin again for Tesla? So today was an awesome day. If you guys did not check out the B Word event, if you go on to YouTube, you could even register, even in Google, type in B Word. You'll have access to the videos where Elon Musk spoke with Jack Dorsey and Kathy Wood. It was an awesome interview, definitely awesome interviews. And if you even go to YouTube, type in Bitcoin, you'll definitely see like a live stream where it had the whole interview. You just gotta like scroll through like the first couple of hours and you'll see Elon Musk and his interview, everything he said about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. It was definitely very, very good. And I'm surprised nothing crazy was said, but it's definitely all positive. We're moving forward in the right direction for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrencies, and especially Dogecoin. Now, one of the things that Elon Musk said in the interview is they kept asking him about Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, and he'd be like, yeah, Bitcoin's cool, but Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. And one thing he did say is that his biggest holding himself and for Tesla is Bitcoin. And then second, he has Ethereum and Dogecoin. Those were the only cryptocurrencies that he said that he owns. Another key takeaway in the interview, like I just said, is they kept asking him questions about Bitcoin and this. And he's like, yeah, Bitcoin's great. You know, it does X, Y, and Z. But, you know, we have to look for other cryptocurrencies too that could maybe be faster, cheaper, and maybe better in certain instances. And he was referring, and he spoke about Dogecoin is better in a bunch of other ways. Bitcoin has its primary use as a store of value, but he's looking for other cryptocurrencies to invest in. An example, Ethereum and Dogecoin. I don't think he's going to go out of that for a while. But he said, you know, we need to look for cryptocurrencies that have better transactional use, other uses that are going to be better than just the storage of value what Bitcoin is. So, you know, we were all wondering, is Tesla going to accept Bitcoin today and Dogecoin? It didn't happen. But the question was definitely brought up to him. When are you guys going to start doing it? And Elon Musk is like, yes, I believe, you know, Bitcoin is 50% using more energy, renewable resources. I believe that this is true, but we're just going to do a little bit more research. Speaking in the name of Tesla, we're going to do a little bit more research to confirm the facts, and then we will start accepting Bitcoin again. And I also still think at this time, when he announces that he's going to accept Bitcoin, that they're also going to accept Dogecoin. Reading word for word what he said, I want to do a little more diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy usage is most likely at or above 50%, and that there is a trend towards that increasing number, says Elon Musk. And one funny thing he said in the interview, he's like, I might pump, but I don't dump. I definitely do not believe in getting the price high and selling it or anything like that. So he did say, you know, he's not into market manipulation. People that market manipulate, they pump the prices up so that they can sell it. Elon Musk confirmed that he doesn't sell Bitcoin. He hasn't sold any Dogecoin. He hasn't sold any Bitcoin. And he just bought it. He buys it. He pumps it up, but he doesn't dump it. He's not purposely trying to sell it into profit. That way, he's not able to, even with his tweets, able to move billions of dollars. He's not able to get marked as a market manipulator because he's not selling and profiting off that type of news and media interaction. So moving on from that, we have this very bullish piece of news that I just wanted to share with you all. And it says, trading firm of richest crypto billionaire reveals buying a lot more Bitcoin below 30,000. So this huge whale, $8 billion, they've been buying more Bitcoin more and more Bitcoin, especially when it was under $30,000. So despite all of the crazy news and the FUD and the regulatory fear, all this crazy stuff that's happening, people are still buying the dip. Retail investors are buying the dip like crazy. The whales, institutions are still buying the dip. So it goes to show you that we're in a very bullish time period, even though things are consolidating, even though things are trading sideways, not really doing much. The last couple of days, we've been definitely pumping. It's awesome to see that. But we are in a correction. It's just a period of time where things are slow, but the fundamentals and everything is still very good for cryptocurrencies. And it's just setting up for the next leg up, the next bull run, which could be happening any second. More importantly, let's go into the charts. Let's see what's happening. So we're going to go with Bitcoin first. And we are seeing, just like I called out in my video earlier today, we are forming a cup and handle formation. Look at this. I was like, look at this. We have this level of resistance, which we recently broke, especially when Elon Musk was speaking. And look, the cup and handle is a very bullish pattern. What happens is you first see the cup and it can break out past it, which we did. We came down, but then look at this. We bounced on this level of support and we're now headed up. Generally, this could be a setup for a huge breakout, and we can measure how big the breakout will be based on the cup. We've seen this on this channel before. When Dogecoin was very cheap, we saw this cup and handle with cryptos before they blasted off. And if we take a look, this should bring us to 34,000. If we can continue in this bullish momentum and not have a sell-off after this major pumps with cryptos, we can definitely come to about 34,000, and maybe at that point start to sell off and come down a little bit, and then continue to stair step our way up. Now, taking a look at Cardano, $1.16, the same formation is being formed. Ethereum, even more so, very bullish, especially that the right side of the cup broke past this level of resistance that we had on the left side, and we came out of it, bounced on top of this level of support, and most likely going to continue heading up. And if we can break out and have a cup and handle formation come to play, that should bring us to about $2,200. Taking a look at Dogecoin, we're still forming this cup and handle. I drew this cup and handle earlier, way before this thing was forming. And go back to it. Let me go ahead and delete everything here. It's looking very bullish. Same thing kind of playing out, and potential. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. But what the worst case scenario is that we can end up coming down again, most likely bouncing up from a lower level. But here's our level of support. We ended up breaking past it, and now we have to, this really is going to tell us what's going to be happening in the next day or so. Any type of news can, of course, change the trajectory of any technical analysis, but we definitely need to continue this uptrend if we want to continue this bullish momentum. So the way we would not continue this bullish momentum is if we end up coming and getting rejected in any of these levels here and then starting to head down. That would just predict the short-term volatility and where we'd be heading on the short term. So overall, cryptos are looking bullish. You know, we had a pretty big pump with Dogecoin today, and we went all the way almost to 22 cents. Very cool to see that, and that happened because a lot of the hype, people were expecting Elon Musk to say something. You know, we had the B word event, but there's a lot of very bullish things also helping to push the prices up because we're at a very oversold position for a very long time, and the prices are cheap. It brings money into the market. It's very exciting to people to see low prices. When things get low and really cheap, it really brings me a lot of excitement because it's great opportunities to buy and to hold for the future when these things really start to take off. And if you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell anytime or send to your bank account. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital, which is also my top-pinned comment, or in my video description, they give you a month for using my link. So if you got something out of the video, go ahead and smash up the like button, blow up the comment section, share this video with some of your friends and family, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night.